Hi friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to step by step apply for Subclass 407 training visa for Australia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, any suggestion that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official page of Australian visa. So this you can apply online, so I'm going to click on online. I won't go into much into the details. We'll consider a sample case like there's a person whose name is John Smith and who is eligible because he has an approved sponsor and he has been nominated. So now he is going to apply for this visa. Alright, so click on apply. This opens a new tab where you have to log in your IMMI account. So if you don't know how to create your IMMI account, I have uploaded a video about it. You can watch that and proceed from there. Alright guys, so let's log in. Okay, I am in. Click on continue. So first you are asking to accept terms condition. Click next. Current location. So let's say this guy is in India. He's an Indian citizen and he's a citizen. Okay. Training type, so he's doing like overseas qualification training. Is the sponsor a Commonwealth agency? So select no, because if you do that, like if you do that, then you'll be exempt from certain conditions. So for the purpose of this video, just select no. Give the details of related nomination, reference number type, nomination application ID number. Oh, I need to create one sample. Let me see if I can. Is the applicant being logged as part of group of applications? No. I tried to create one sample number but got this one. Let me see if this works. Okay, it worked. Now it has gone to the primary applicant details. So as we said, his name is John Smith. He is an Indian male. So let's say he was born in 1994. 94. Let's on 5th August. Passport number. I need to create an Indian passport sample number. Country of passport, let's say India. Nationality India. Date of issue, let's say this was issued in 2015. And valid till 2025. This was issued in New Delhi. National ID card. So they have some recommendations. So if you are from India, it's recommended to enter your Aadhaar card number. So I don't have an Aadhaar card and I also don't know the sample number. So I'm gonna put one sample. So in that case, I'm gonna get a warning here because they have the format. They know the format. But if you are correct, you don't need to worry about, like if you enter the correct information, you don't need to worry about the format because you have enough evidence to prove your claim. City, let's say he was born in New Delhi. So Delhi is the state. Country India. Let's say he's single, never married. But yes, whatever is your situation, you need to put according to that. Have you ever used any other name? No. Of the selected country? Yes. Any other country citizen? No. Any other current passport? No. Any other identity document? No. Undertaken a health examination? Let's say not yet, so in that case they will ask. Okay, verification. Verify. Oh, you gotta click yes and then no. Next. Yeah, so definitely because the number we entered is not verified, so click on confirm. Later on it will come. I mean, definitely we're not gonna submit, but they did the verification. Has the privilege traveled to Australia? Let's say no. This is just a sample video. Accompany members of, are there any accompany members of the family unit including the application? Let's say no. Country of residence. So this is about the applicant, India. The applicant may be required to go for interview. So for India there is only one option. Country, India. Address 1 New Delhi Street, New Delhi, State Delhi, pin. I don't know any pin code of Delhi, so I just put this. Same as the residential address, yes. Contact number, home number. I'm just creating some sample numbers. Do you want to authorize somebody? Let's say no. Okay, click on next. Okay, now this is important. Now you are going to provide the information about the training. So you need to provide information like what will be your position. So you will say, so this you need to fill accordingly, whatever is your case. So I'm just writing associate trainee. Occupation grouping, professionals, code. Okay, which one would you like to make him? Okay, duties. I'm just gonna type something, but when you do, provide correct information. This is just a sample. Provide full and detailed information. Okay, don't do this. Date from and date to. So basically for 75% of applications it's 42 days the processing time, and for 90% of applications 72 days. So I'm going to put anything in 3 months in advance. So August, let's say I'm putting November 30, and date to, let's say it's 1 year training. So again I'll go to November and then 30 November. So next is the length of stay, up to 12 months. Date from November 30 to November 30. Now if granted stay period may be less than, yeah, this is totally up to them. Sponsor details, legal registered name. Is the applicant paying fee for this training? Let's say no. Legal registered name, I need to get sample. Let's say Australia Traders, CA Traders. Let's see if this gives any error or not. It may, because these names, the length of stay in Australia must match date from and to field. So I need to reduce probably by a day. Let's see if I go 29, what happens next. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so up to 12 months, I mean they don't include the last day. I mean yeah, excluding the last day, so that's why I had to reduce 1 day. Alright, relevant qualifications. BTech, skills, IT skills including Of course, it's never so simple like this. When you write, write in details. Experience 5 years in India. It's not applicable. Just I'm writing it like sample, but yes, in your occupation, in your situation, it's gonna be detailed and as per your qualification. Just don't go with these entries. Language update, has it past 12 months? Let's say no. Can have at least function, yes. His main language, so he's from India, so let's put Hindi. Yeah, Hindi is here. Click on next. Will remuneration be received for undertaking the activity in Australia? Let's say no. Here's how the stay will be funded, because he is not doing the work, so remuneration I have said no. The sponsor will pay the training and other costs like accommodation, food, transportation, etc. I'm just writing whatever is applicable. In your case, you write. Previous controversy. In the past 10 years, have any of the applicants lived in a country other than their youthful country for 12 months? Let's say no. Next. Any applicants currently have or previously been an Australian AID or Foreign Affairs Supported Student recipient? Let's say no. Whatever is applicable in your case. Health insurance. Okay. Health insurance. Applicant cover John Smith here. Type of healthcare. Group insurance. I'm just writing. I don't know if this exists or not. Group insurance. Australia insurance. Date to date from, let's say, November 30 to, he's gonna stay till November 29, so I put it till November 30. Confirm. Let me see if it picks up. Okay, it picked up. So basically probably they verify these things at the end, I mean when you finally apply. Pass. Have you visited our country for more than 3 consecutive months? No. This is for this case, but in your case you need to fill accordingly. Does the applicant intend to enter hospital? Let's say no. As a study, a doctor, dentist? No. Attend child care? No. No. Let's say he's absolutely fine, so no problem with health. So, but yes, if you have anything, click yes and provide detailed information. Shall be any offense? Okay, when you fill these background information about your criminality or any past history, be very careful, because nowadays a lot of countries have shared databases. So if you write anything, I mean if you have any information in one country, that can be easily retrieved in other country as well. So don't try to hide anything, instead be very honest and write whatever is applicable in your case. Alright, let's proceed further. No. Sex offender, grounds of unsound mind. Oh, war crimes, no. Organization, no. 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 You can see all sort of questions like overstayed, outstanding death, served in military, undergo any training, everything. Then click on next. Paying for, giving false or misleading information, serious offense. Yeah. Applicant declares that no person including applicant have engaged in conduct. Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, declare that they have read. Yeah. Complete incorporation, understand any fraudulent activity. Yeah, again you need to read everything and then according to that you need to answer. Australian values, yeah. Here you have to review, here you have the option to review. You can review your details here. If any changes are required, you can go back and change. If you are okay, click on next. Oh. Why is the error message? Okay, so probably they are verifying the information here itself. The associated sponsorship nomination details provided cannot be verified, and amend if necessary. Will not be able to continue if, yeah, save the file, go to account and then reopen. Okay, so that information needs to be verified. We only put the sample information, but even using this we managed to reach till the last step, so I was able to give you the whole walkthrough. When you do it on your own, fill the information correctly, come here, you can see this is the 19th, this is the 20th page, in fact last page, and next is going to be the documents, where you're going to upload your documents, provide evidence and everything else that they ask. So from there you can take it up. So alright guys, so I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to ask. Thank you.